So, here, come here, talk. No man know why, you know. It's so sad that you go like you're hot girl, you're so loud that you're pum lonely. Me say, is a dog take away your box food and on your meat? How did it have in your life? Leg and tie or breast and wing? Cause is a dog take away your girl, your man, you know?
Me no know, oh, you listen to that and get bad mind and jealousy out of that. When me say, Shebada, come talk it, say you're just one of them who I pick up for, you're upset for what me say about your tribe, your Batman tribe, and that make you upset with me. Come talk it, so that you want cause me for, and that you really want cause me for. I know about Vani, because when you go say me jealous and bad mind of Vani, you hear me talk about Vani painting and me jealous and bad mind are, you're fucking crazy to say that. If anybody listen to this, them not gonna ever get jealousy and bad mind. I told me burn out your Batman friend. I told me burn out your tribe, your vex. Cause your own mind can come and this come kiss a boy too. But remember say you're fish head. Remember say saltfish head you have. And you alone have that head there. Nobody else not favor you. When everybody else have a next doppelganger in the world, nobody else in the world do favor blood clot 3 plot. Now get number 4 plot blood clot Shebada. And you alone have sardine head. Me never ever hear nobody ever come out and say, Jesus Christ in favor Shebada, and you alone God makes so. That's why you're so troubled and that's why you hate girl. Cause be a girl you walk and sit down pan over here. Come on, for we know. Like, well, if we not get the 3rd plot, we go put on a wig. And you know you can't put on a wig over here, so you have to stick to blood clot fingernail. That's the highest set of girl you can go. Cause you in a wig are finding blood clot dory. We just have to go find you and throw you off a one bridge and make you go live with the fishes in the sea. You cannot put on a wig. You have to stick up blood clot fingernail. You can't do no more nothing than nails. No. Your hot girl business stop at blood clot nails. Shebada, you can't do lipstick. When you do lipstick, you're traumatized with. Your favorite look at them want to learn to read. When you put on lipstick and come out with your 3 plot them, you ever watch a show? When the man them teach it 3 and you look at them for read and they ever put on lipstick, or you that 8 pin of blood clot lipstick with 5 fingernail. I saw you look. Only thing you need to come say, with the lipstick on, do it. Shebada, put on the red lipstick by your lip, with the 3 plot them a swing and say, I mean, I tell you, none of we not gonna ever unsee that. You are gonna become a batty boy monkey. I saw you look like a little monkey them when them at you. Me dare you to do it, just make it sound. Please, put on your red lipstick, make sure your fingernail are click so, and you make it 3 plot them, and you say, me I tell you, resemble everything gonna make sense this so. And you can always come out, come class me, cause we have a class more. 0 woman, pum, man no want me. What else? What we are left out chat? Man no want me. Me can't post man. Me never get back no fuck. Me a yamed. Me come to Jamaica come watch man. Me married 5 times. Me full of lump. Me full of cellulite. What else again? Come on man, K hot topic. Me give one me pitney. My mouth lean. Anything else on the agenda? I think these are things that we hear over and over again. 16 balloon. Oh, no, have no new story. The whole of my man them hate me. But Shebada, no matter who you come out, you come style. Everybody where your style look better than. Me never see a style, nobody. Where you look better than them. Suck your mother, Shebada. Tired of you now. For all this time I dey on the media, no matter what you say about me, good, bad or ugly, me never ever respond to you yet. Me never click me live and talk about you yet. Me make sure you stay invisible to me. But this morning you want to be seen. Cause you don't even like Vani. You not like me and you not like Vani. You should have sit this one out. Me say to all the man over there talk and I say, I show your bad mind. You're jealous of Ivan. Me say, what the fuck? There is no way you get jealousy out of that message when me give Vani. Jealousy? Shebada say you can't read. You go on like you're intelligent and you know say from then take you out acting something. Something will go on with you. For you not do no acting. Go find one look at acting do. Shebada, go on back and I play them. Go on back and I play them because me no know why your problem are. Me go tell you the raw truth. Shebada never really want to come out here and defend Vani or nothing because we all know that Shebada do not like Vani. Just like how my class me, remember say my class Vani too. If you listen to the screen recording, when I say K and Vani, whatever. Say me jealous. Remember say in IT my class me, say me jealous, but him also a class Vani. She a demon, she a this, she a that. Say my class the two away. Where you just now make no sense. What you really want to come cuss me about is Candy. But you know want it look like say, yeah, look friend or yeah, try pick up for them. But because me talk about the Batman argument with Candy and it crush your blood clad can, it you really want. So you kind of slide Candy a little bit in an argument. But I really Candy you want to talk about because you know like me and you don't like Ivani. So you slide the Candy part. Maybe today you come out you can talk about the full Candy part because it you really want to talk about. And that you want to talk about. I told me say Candy if you come off of the app with him Batman thing, and it you want to talk about. Shebada go and suck out your mother and ask her why you can't get a blood clot fourth plot. I am out. Cause all you go come cuss me and tell me about, you know, my pussy, man never want me. When me do to 10 pint old, this, that, Shana take me man, that's all. Old story when I have nothing to do with blood clot me. But you know what I have to do with you? No matter who you trouble, no matter who you bring down, no matter who you cuss, you will never live to get a fourth blood clot plot in your head. That's why I'm tell you, so just go and go lay down and dead somewhere. Cause over time you live your wait for the fourth plot in your head. Anytime you left people business alone, you will get the number 4 plot when now grew up pussy wall and go lick out your mother. Come and never trouble you.
Get up bright and early this morning and you now get up so for your baby. And secondly again, Kay, come here. You did know say appear Batman you take. You did know say Dodo catch up one side and you hold like a shutter. Just asking, just letting you know a few things. Eh? You're not supposed to come by me, Kay. Because through me talk about Candy, you vex, you get up in your feeling, and never see a girl carry batty jealousy so yet. Candy have a man with a nibbling nipple. Somebody can type when me say, come in, don't want to shout that party, you know. Quiet on the creek for real. Actually, look at my class, but the others are too broad and really. You see, me I come to him, a very good something what you say, but me I come to that. Remind me here. Where is your man, Kay? Kay, you're the only girl when I see come from the app with a man and is a dog snatch him. Is a dog take away your box food, you know, and a nibble pan it like how Candy man and nibble pan and nipple. Kay, why when you see batty people in the world, you get jealous? Kay, why you have a problem with batty man? You come on the internet, you know, you see you's a big mouth, bad mind little girl. Yeah? He's a big mouth. But all them can do a customer about cellulites, come shape good. Do the catch off one side and you hold like a shutter. Remember pay batty body you take, your name lick it back, Russian roulette playing in your pom pom. Russian roulette shit a do domino effect in your whole K. Do the domino effect in your belly. You have a bad tummy. Me now cuss you, cause me give you a project for though, and I want you turn it in Monday morning. What time? 8 a.m. sharp. Come here, King. Before you got Candy, remember Paris was a sodomite? You see why you not to open your mouth and say nothing? Remember your daughter Paris was a sodomite. Remember woman Paris did say. Come now. Come remember when I cussing because me can't bother package a cute bass neck. Me don't want a guy to. Me don't want to walk with no thyroid. Remember your daughter where your boss, but no man this tight. Then what make me do my brain so? Remember your daughter where you wipe up and a own up and a go along up over now. Remember crutches she used to suck. Remember she used to eat pum pum from back when rest her nose in her body hole, so your daughter used to lick it and sniff shit. Make that one there so keen, little. Yeah. Make that one there so keen, little. Cause when you come good, you know. When you come good. Yeah, you not tell the internet that, but you walk a class candy. Oh, candy too much. Paris did too much to when she and them crutches in your house. And when she can't eat the pum pum in your house, she eat it in the vehicle. She eat it all on the patio. She eat her way to university. Come now. So when you come about my baby, tread light. We say quiet on the creek. And you walk in a clubs. What wrong with you? What wrong with you? You not learn. Me just ask you something. Me I come down the line, you know. Can you come here? What Candy could have done so upsetting and make you want vomit? What is it that Candy could do on this internet? What Candy could have do you sucky? So you come up and I try to tarnish the boy TikTok career. When you say man make you involved in a threesome, okay, come here. Remember when 10 point I eat the girl from back where just a ram her from back where so and the girl I eat out your hole. Remember 10 point never want your crashes into the threesome and the girl mouth of under your hole. Okay, come here. A whole heap of footprint you leave out the road and dog shit in them. We just attack. Cause sometimes we don't remember, you know. And you come on the internet so come say the girl I eat out your hole. So if Candy Man want dig him out from back way, why you think your sodomite behavior is better than Candy Batty life? Just asking. Remember we're not curse. Remember we're not cursing. Convenience. Remember to oh you not have no belly button 10.8 your crutches. Remember come out and say you're all big like your mouth. Okay, yarn. Just yarn make the people them see the size of your vagina. Yarn. Take a morning exercise in your face. Yarn. So when you say Shebada go suck your mother, please go suck Paris. Please and thank you, go and suck Paris. I just that no one beg you do. They say not until you can tell me Kingston classroom door color. Yes, okay, when you're ready to sit down and talk, is a dog take away your cocky from me because obviously Shana Chin all have a lot of memory. Me don't know if our crutches used to work at Digicel, but they all look like it have a memory chip and 10 point can leave information in a Shana. It's okay. All you talk about your shape good, a cellulites alone want you. A cellulites alone run you down. So make the whole our reason, okay? Because me don't know why you come out for Candy. Me don't know why you come out for Candy and him batty life. Leave him because a whole heap of una broke man bad with una veggie. Remember you claim to say you never born a sodomite, but you make man make girl and your mouth your crutches. Your daughter Paris did there with a woman. Remember a girl Paris say, oh, so me don't know what Candy could have do. It be fair. Make a talk. We're just a reason, my baby. So, okay, come here talk. No man know why, you know. It's so sad that you go like you're hot girl, you're so loud that you're pum pum lonely. Me say, is a dog take away your box food and onion meat? How did it have in your life? Leg and tie? Or breast and wing? Cause is a dog take away your girl, your man, you know? Tell me the truth. Is a dagger with your man to the point where you have to take all about him, man. You never know. It's sweet, man. It's sweet when they hear you open your mouth. You that wish you suck 10 points would all now. Cause the boy ate your mouth and him ate your hole. You have bad belly bottom. You have bad belly bottom. Any girl with slow on shit stick can't talk to me. You're not in a no position to talk to me. When you see Candy, if you call him Mrs. Candy. When you see Candy, if you give Candy her honors. You know, if you come on the internet and draw stool, boy, you chat Candy. Because Candy have a body from back way. You do have one from front ways. So make the whole of a reason. Remember 10 points gone and now look back. Gone and now look back. Remember $700 you want to take Paris to pay your rent for. Kingston, I mean, to pay your rent for. $700. Make it make sense. Can you walk and give man green card and come on the internet a big laptop for Paris? Come na cake and we are going down Emmanuel Road. Girl and boy, figure broke rock stone. You never know you should have straightened your teeth before you put on veneers. You never know you should have nicely align your mouth. Eh? You should have nicely align your axle before you put on veneers. You never know. Your chassis bend in your mouth. Your teeth them lean care. You want to argue with girl. You talk like you screw. Remember we now cuss. So when Candy own up him man, go and argue. Me don't know how you pass Shana and come a Candy. And Shana still a beat you like a man locked up in prison. Me not argue with K. Me not argue with K. Cause K skin paper broke up tile. So me not argue with K. K, you know say in a clothes alone, your body look good. Take off your gears and make the people them see you. Your favor walkway. I just say truth me I talk. Me not cussing my baby. Me not cussing. I just talk where I talk with just a reason. The reason why we're here. The reason why we're here. Not scared. Turn around. Me don't know the song them in the boy. Just come for you can heads up. Ivan might be all sort of things. But Ivan is talented, and when you see girl talent, you run with it. You're too bad man, you're bad man girl, we have talent, you're bad man boy, we have cocky. What wrong with you lady? Eh? What wrong with you? You're not tired for the internet shame you? You're not tired for the internet to shame you? So when you jump up on an argue, go look for 10 points. Me need a flashlight. 10 points underneath Shana. Me don't want a dog bite me, you know. Come K-man. Come K-man. Shana, let me 10 points on. How you feel? How you feel, my baby? And you want to still not argue with me a little more to me and your turn mate? Eh? A little more to me and your turn mate, okay? Come now, man. Huh? Remember it's about him and take away your first man? Your husband? A boy rather go to Batty than live in your crutches, okay? Make for a reason. A boy rather go to Batty than live in your crutches. Make for a reason. Why you clap, auntie? I sing in my head. Yeah. So make for a reason, okay? No care what no man no want your belly. No man no want your belly. Your crutches are one crutches where cocky can use and to come back cocoa fat. Come back cocoa fat. No meat, no flesh, no turbulence, no in your whole care. Bob sledge cocky do in your belly. You know, free flow. Move from here so with your highway belly. Move from here so with your highway belly. You go like your crutches name Walker's Old. You go like it full of turn and curves. Make we talk. We're not close. A red peas Saturday. We're not cursing. Make we talk. It come like you walk and do false advertisement on your wall. Tell the body them say you not have no belly bottom, so whosoever will may come. You not have to put down the money, okay, with lie down. Remember, you walk a search love, so you eat when man happy. Abby. Remember you did that one of my own at the radio. You did that aka my history that play with you know. Remember you did that develop in my history, okay? Me's a history teacher. Just asking for a neighbor. And then you want to bring your mouth to me, okay? Respect me. Respect your history teacher. Remember you develop with my history. Always remember that.